What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video, I'm going to talk about the latest instrument that we get from Steinberg. It is called Material Eyes or something like that. Let me go and find that instrument real quick. It was under Halion. Yeah, this Metal Eyes here. This is a great instrument. I really enjoy, playing with it. So without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so as usual, Steinberg gives us great instruments, and this is one of it. Okay, it sounds really unique, but then you don't have to use it that way. You have a lot of other stuff here that you can actually play with. The modulations and obviously the panning. So you can turn off some of these instruments here. So earlier it comes with the metal organ. You can turn it on or turn it off. So you have a few stuff that you can play with. Okay, now it's only playing the electric overtones, right? And then this empty slot here. So it's really cool. This modulations here you can actually adjust with your mod wheel. So here I'm using the mod wheel, or I can just set this up with my mouse, so it's possible as well. So you notice that we can turn on each of these modules here. Obviously we can add more modules if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and just that's kind of cool actually. So you can also click on this arrow button here. So it's gonna maximize the view. So now from here we have a couple of other options that we can also play with. So for instance, the cutoff. No, we don't want to pan it. Maybe increase or decrease the volume. Oops, I accidentally closed it. Let's add something else now. You see, the amount of sound design things that we can do with this instrument itself is crazy. Let's try something else. Okay. If you click on this name, you get even more options here that you can play with. So we have control, we have filter, effects, and motion. So I haven't really, played with them, so I don't know what each of these do. So we're actually kind of exploring it together now. I'll come back to this in my next videos once I understand what they do. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and play with the presets. Okay, so now let's go ahead and play with a different preset now. So I'm just gonna drag it here. Okay, I like that sound effect kind of thingy. But let's find out what sound is that. Ooh, I like that. So I don't like this ding ding beep sound, so I'm just gonna mute that and play with this. I can use this as an, transition effect. That's kind of cool actually. Let's go and find the next one here. So, all bells. Ooh, I like that. This is a really cool instrument. I like that. Let's try another one. Ancient Cave. I like this. There are a lot of presets here. really cool instrument for sound design. That's pretty cool. I noticed that each of these modules, we can add effects to it independently, which is cool. It's really interesting. I really like this instrument already because of the fact that I can manipulate the audio the way I want, and they allow me to add effects on each of these modules. And on top of that, I have 4 different modules to be added within one instance of this preset. So that's really cool. Okay, let me just jump some of these. Let's go to cluster. Nice. That's kind of eerie, to be honest. Let's try another one. There's a lot of resets here which I'm not going to go through all of it, but I just want to say that this is a great instrument, and if you guys haven't already updated to Cubase, go ahead and do it now, because this one plugin itself is worth the update. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.